Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you know how exciting it can be to manage your assets. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to send XRP from your first Ledger wallet to Coinbase in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, I'll walk you through each step to make it simple and secure. First things first, make sure you have your Ledger device set up, the XRP app installed on it, and a verified Coinbase account. This is crucial to avoid any hiccups along the way. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Unlock your Ledger device and open the XRP app. You'll see your XRP balance displayed. Double-check that it's the correct amount you want to send. Next, head over to your Coinbase account on your computer or mobile app. Log in securely and navigate to the Send, Receive section. Now, for the key part. In your Ledger, go to the Send option and enter the recipient's address. That's right. Copy the XRP wallet address from Coinbase. Be extremely careful here. One wrong character could send your funds to the wrong place. Once you've pasted the address, enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Don't forget to review the transaction fees. They can vary based on the network congestion. Hit Confirm on your Ledger device. You'll need to physically confirm this on the hardware for added security. After that, the transaction will be broadcast to the blockchain. This might take a few minutes, so grab a coffee and keep an eye on your Coinbase account for the incoming funds. A quick tip. Always use the XRP network for these transfers to ensure compatibility, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, test with a small amount first to build your confidence. And there you have it. Your XRP is now on its way to Coinbase. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and let's keep building that crypto knowledge together. See you in the next video.